new frustration tonight over an Idaho prosecutor's decision not to seek criminal charges against an 18-year-old accused of yelling racial slurs at members of the University of Utah women's basketball team. News specialist Lindsay Ertz joins us live right now. And Lindsay, why aren't charges coming?
Yeah, well, Mike, the Coeur d'Alene city attorney basically said that there wasn't enough evidence for 18-year-old Anthony Myers to be charged criminally. In fact, prosecutors even wrote that evidence suggested that Myers was attempting to be funny.
A silver car speeded by members of the University of Utah women's basketball team in late March as they walked to dinner in Coeur d'Alene. And city prosecutors now say 18-year-old Anthony Myers yelled a racial slur and obscene comment at them. But despite his admission and witnesses, the city's deputy attorney Ryan Hunter writes that it didn't amount to Idaho's malicious harassment charge.
I think that the prosecution up there was really wrestling with the First Amendment, the free speech versus the derogatory hate speech.
As part of that charge, Hunter said they couldn't prove Myers' intent was to intimidate or harass anyone. In fact, they say others in the car had all attested that Myers was trying to be funny.
To me, that's never funny in any context, whether it's even to your friends or someone else. But it certainly wasn't funny to the people it was directed at.
Hunter also didn't bring charges for disorderly conduct or disturbing the peace because they say it all happened on a busy thoroughfare. The president of the Salt Lake chapter of the NAACP, Janetta Williams, is also speaking out, writing that, quote, there is a huge difference between freedom of speech and hate speech, and there needs to be consequences for these actions. If not, it'll happen again. Ultimately, prosecutors say they don't think they would have won their case.
I believe that a prosecutor has to look at his population, at his or her jury pool. And there are certain parts of the country where certain comments are more tolerated than others. And that was probably a problem that he had to face in that part of northern Idaho.
Now, important to note here, this incident happened as the team was all walking out of a restaurant that night. There was another incident that reportedly happened as they were walking in, but prosecutors don't believe that anything was yelled from the cars in those cases. Now, we did reach out to the University of Utah and the athletic department for comment and reaction, and they declined to comment. Reporting live at the U, I'm Lindsay Ertz. Back to you.
Yeah, charges or not, it is appalling. All right, Lindsay, thank you.